Welcome to our channel. Today I want to show you how to clean the headphone jack on a Samsung Galaxy A14 phone. So, we need a round brush like this, which you can buy in a set on Allegro or Amazon. We also need isopropyl alcohol. You can also get a diffuser like this in the same set. It's included in the set. If not, if you don't need it, you can simply pour some of the alcohol into a small container and dip the brush in it so it's well soaked. Now I'm going to drip some onto it. The phone must of course be turned off. Always turned off for every cleaning operation. We pick up the phone, use the brush and insert it all the way in. Turn it 5 times in one direction, then 5 times in the other direction, and pull it out upwards. And then once again, carefully insert it into the jack socket. Slowly turn it 5 full times in one direction, then 5 more times in the other direction, and finally, gently pull it back out. And we repeat this simple process 5 times. That is, 5 times to the right and 5 times to the left. Then, carefully pull it out and we will have a perfectly clean headphone jack that will work for the next few years without any problems at all. Of course, after the procedure, we need to set the phone aside and leave it for about 10 minutes so that the alcohol can completely evaporate and we can safely use the phone. So we leave it for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, you can use it normally. That's all for today. Thank you very much for your attention. I would appreciate a thumbs up, likes, subscriptions, and see you in the next video.